Hi, this is Justin Ball, owner of the Showerhead store, and in this video I'm going to show you how to patch up these holes in our tile. So we removed an old dingy soap dish and just want to patch this up. There's a few videos out there. Some people are using silicone, which is pretty soft, and that tends to like wear out, especially on a deep hole like that. I've seen some really professional patch jobs done, but that takes a lot of expertise and tools and materials. What we're gonna do in this video is put some grout in there so that gets like nice and hardened. Tried my best to match up the color of the tile and grout with this replacement grout. So this is not pre-mixed grout, so we got to put like 2.5 ounces of water in there. Mix it up, let it sit, patch it up, and see how it looks. So let's get into mixing the grout. So I have the grout mixed, followed the instructions, 2.5 ounces in there, fill it up to the line, poured a little bit in, mixed it. Don't want to get the grout too wet, otherwise it doesn't, can get brittle, I guess. So we're waiting for that to set for just a minute. I have a magic eraser, so if you come over here, I already started working on it to make sure that this is actually effective, but there's some like old pen or pencil markings from where they installed this, so I'm just gonna clean this up. And I already took the wall anchors out, so you definitely want to, get that out of there. So now that this area is nice and clean, just grab my gloves here. I'm just going to take a very little bit of this grout and just try to get it in there as best as I can. Just mash it in there. Kind of come back and forth on it. Pretty good color match, honestly. See if I can get it a little bit. Yeah, you just don't want to get any, water in the wall by leaving these holes exposed, and obviously there's the aesthetic aspect of it too. I think that's looking pretty good, to be honest. So a lot of grout for a little job, but hey, we have a few other showers around here. I think we can get a little bit more in there. Using a sponge that's barely wet, just a little bit of water in it, so there's not all this grout stuck to the wall. Okay. Looking pretty good. Decent color. Make sure no water's getting in the wall there. And then gotta let this dry for about 24 hours at least. So no showering in this shower for 1 day. I know, crazy. Good thing we have another shower. And that's pretty much it. That's a nice, pretty easy way to patch up any holes in your shower. So if you're removing shower doors, slide bars, soap dishes, whatever it is, you can get this at your local hardware store. It's pretty inexpensive. So thanks for checking me out at the Showerhead store. Signing out for now. I'm Justin Ball, the Showerhead Guy.